Electric current, electron flow versus conventional current by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to understand the difference between an electron flow and a conventional current. Here is a series circuit as it has one complete loop. This is a cell, and we know a cell stores chemical energy, and the cell is responsible for pushing the electrons around the circuit. On the symbol of the cell, the long line is always the positive terminal, as shown by the red cross, and the shorter line is always the negative terminal, as shown by the blue dash. In an electron flow, the electrons flow out of the negative terminal of the cell through the metal wire. The negatively charged electrons flow through the bulb, where they then continue to flow through the metal wire and back to the positive terminal of the cell. So in an electron flow, the electrons flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. The electron flow is how electrons actually flow in a real circuit. This is what is scientifically correct. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Let's now focus on what a conventional current is and how it is different from an electron flow. Here we have the same series circuit, using the same cell and the same bulb. On this cell, we know the long line is the positive terminal and the shorter line is the negative terminal. In the conventional current, the electric current flows out of the positive terminal of the cell, flowing through the metal wire, through any components, around the circuit, and back to the negative terminal of the cell. So in the conventional current, when current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is scientifically wrong, but when working with circuits, the conventional current is used. So if you're ever using a real circuit, we know the electron flow is taking place. The electrons are flowing out of the negative terminal. However, when working with circuit diagrams, conventional current goes from positive to negative, even though we know this is scientifically wrong. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.